Hi, I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, and today we're going to discuss the basics of depth of field in 101 seconds or less. Start the clock. Depth of field is an optical phenomenon describing the area in front of and behind the subject that's in acceptable focus. Deep depth of field is used in architectural photography, landscape photography, and group portraiture because it allows more of the image to be in focus. Shallow depth of field is utilized to keep the subject in focus, but keep the background out of focus and the foreground out of focus, allowing you to really concentrate on the subject.
If you decrease your F number, you will decrease your depth of field. If you increase your F number, you will increase your depth of field. At the top of this graphic, you'll see that a small F number renders shallow depth of field, with only the subject in focus. At the bottom, you'll see that a large F number renders deep depth of field, so the foreground, subject, and background are all in focus. I shot this in Rome, and it's an example of deep depth of field. You can see that everything's in focus from the base of the Colosseum to the top of the Colosseum. And this was achieved by using a high F number. I shot this in St. Martin, and it's an example of shallow depth of field. The background is blurry, the iguana is clear and sharp, and the leaves in the foreground are blurry. This was achieved by using a small F number. That's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching. I'm Andy with Photo Basics 101, reminding you to shoot what you love.